Hi and welcome back to the AI desktop. I want to show you today how to use the Easy CRM app. So from your home screen, you'll see the icon for the Easy CRM app. And what you need to do is double click on this app. And now it opens up your Easy CRM application within the AI desktop. Now the great thing about Easy CRM is, again, this is a tool to manage your contacts, your lists, and your broadcast. This tool will allow you to replace tools like HubSpot. Maybe you're using Jetpack within WordPress or any of the many other CRMs that you're probably paying a monthly subscription for. You can now do it all within the AI desktop. So today I'm going to show you around the Easy CRM, and we're going to look at the contacts and the lists, and in the future we will explore the broadcast tab, which is a new feature they've added. So as a new person coming into the software, you'll see a screen looking like this. We have 3 tabs across the top: contacts, list, broadcast. We have some buttons for importing contacts, adding contacts manually. There's another search bar here as well. I'm just going to download a sample in a CSV file as well, so I can show you how you can import as well in the future. If you wish to manually add a contact, then you need to click on the add contact button. Here you can see the form that you need to fill out. So on this form we can fill out the contact's first and last name, their email, their phone number. We can put in their address. This is my address, the street, apartment number, city, what state they're in, country, and postcodes. Also their shipping address. Again, just fill this form out. Once you're done, confirm that the contact is over 18 and is given permission to receive marketing communications from you, and click add contact. You now see the name populate in your main list tab here under contacts. So you'll have the first name, you'll have their IP address, you'll have their email and the date it was created. You have buttons here as well, so if you click the generate invoice under actions, you can also invoice your client straight through here. Generate invoice will open up a new invoice. We'll come back to the invoice part in the future under a separate tutorial for invoicing. Once you've clicked on the customer's name, you'll be given a screen like this, and this is where all their information is stored. You can see what lists they're assigned to, you can see what purchases they've made, you can see if they're still subscribed, the date they joined, your full name, their email address, phone number. Everything will be stored within this form. You can update the information here as well. If you click on the Manage Contact button, you also get the option to edit the contact information, delete the contact, or you can add them to one of your lists that you've selected. So if I click Add List, I can then select from the drop-down menu already created list that I have and allocate the client to the list. And now we will see that if I look at newsletters, title, your newsletter, number of contacts 1, this person has been added. Back on the contacts page, we also have the lists function as well, the list button. So if we click on list, it brings up the mailing lists or contact lists that you currently have. So for example, I have created a newsletter. So maybe you have a main newsletter and you can add your contacts to there. You may have lead magnets, you may have inquiries, you may have a list for people that have purchased certain products, people who are interested in certain products. It's the same as like Aweber and things like that. This is working very similar. You can create lists of your customers. To add a list, you click on the add list button. Inside here, you make a new list. So here I could say maybe there's an event coming up that I want people to come to, that I'm singing at. So a super cool singing event. It could be anything you want the list to be, however you manage it. Dog owners, cat owners, whatever your niche is, you'll have loads of variations of lists that people fall into. Maybe some will be purchasers, maybe some will be contacts, as in like suppliers. You can make a list of suppliers as well. But I'll add this list. And again, add to the list. You can see when you created it, you can see how many contacts are within the list. And then you can just click on the list to see further into it. And here you would then see how many people are in the list. Manage list will allow you to delete it or edit it also. There's a third button here called Broadcast. This is one that we will delve deeper to in the future. It's a new feature just been added. This will allow you to send a broadcast a message out to the people within that list. So you would enter a title, select the list you wish it to appear into, maybe your main newsletter, add the subject, write your message, click next, and you would follow through the process. But we'll do this in the future. To do this, you need to have your business details set up. So in your account settings, you would add all your business details. This is important for email policies and spam prevention and stuff. They need to have your details. You will also need a SendGrid API key, so you can send emails, and you'll have to create one here or get it through here if you already have an account. But we'll look at this in the future. All your drafts will be stored in the Drafts tab. Creation will be in this tab, and all your reports, as in feedback from what you have sent, would appear in the reports. So already we've added contacts manually. We can also import contacts. So to do this, you would click on the Import Contacts button, and then you would find the CSV file that you wish to import, highlight it, and then just click Open, and this will import. It says it already exists because it's the download sample file, but your CS file would import the contacts into here. Now if you wish to search for somebody, you can literally just type in their name in the search box and it will appear here. If I search a different name, you can see it doesn't exist. So it's another way of searching for your contact faster once you've got a massive list of contacts. So that's an overview of the Easy CRM. We will be looking further into the new broadcast feature, and we'll be showing you how to set it up in the future. Hope this helps, and we will speak soon.